Welcome back to Xtreme Kidz. We are so excited to see you and your families as we return to our in-person worship services. My name is Kelly Richardson. I'm the Global Children's Director here in Xtreme Kidz at Zion Church. As we prepare to return, we want to make sure that you feel safe and that you know your kids are being taken care of here in Xtreme. So we're going to walk you through what we're doing to make sure that we are taking all of the precautions necessary to keep your kids safe, from the time you get here to the time you leave. One of the first things that you'll notice, families, is that nobody is allowed through these doors except for our fully vetted and background checked volunteers. That's for their safety, your safety, and most importantly, your kids' safety. By limiting the amount of traffic that comes through these doors, it keeps everyone safe. Next up, parents, you'll notice that we've moved to a no-touch check-in system. That means, for the time being, that there are no iPads for you to actually touch to check your child in. We'll be here ready and waiting to check you in on our computers, where you just give us your name and your information and we'll get you ready to go. All right, families, here's the last stop on our resuming in-person worship COVID protocol tour here in Xtreme Kidz. All right, so in our large group and our small group spaces is where we spend most of our time, but we want to ensure we're doing it safely. So we've changed up our seating just a little bit to ensure that your kids have their own space within large group, and then in small group, it's a reduced amount of contact as well. So in our small group spaces, we will be enforcing our volunteer to student ratio, as well as in our large group families. So be sure you're checking your kids in, make sure their information is updated so you can get in and out smoothly. We're also taking care to wipe down our surfaces and sanitize the space before, during, and after each and every service and in between our activities. One more quick tip, parents. Be sure not to send any food or snacks with your kids during our services at this time. That helps to reduce the amount of contact and exposure as well. We're so excited to have you back in the building for our in-person worship services. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or to your campus managers. We're excited and we'll see you on Sunday.